Hi everyone! First of all, for our project we need some Lego. Let's find. We have some place for soldering, so we can use.
You're never actually done. It's a process, not a project.
When you create a soldering station, it's always hard to understand where exactly you need some stuff. So you can use Lego as if we don't have any modular system. We at start hard to understand where exactly you need some stuff. So if we place Lego, so we place some Lego board. I use, please check, 2 pieces and simple screw for connection it to the wood. So we have flat Lego panel. Then if we need something, we can simply glue piece of Lego to our, for example, box or something, and we can simply so if we don't want it, we can use it's here. Then for clean soldering tip, I screw the same thing and we can place here, then simple hot glue Lego pieces here, and we can even create a Lego box for something. But let's check. Bam! But it's a little bit flimsy. Oh, broke something. So here for maybe here some flux, the same stuff. Now I have this handmade station or mount for soldering machine, and I show you how I remake it for Lego compatibility. And I ordered bought this ST90 iron holder. It's a beast, it's so big. This is metal. This is plastic. This is metal. We need only this part, maybe with this wheel, so we can unscrew it. Iron holder and place. This is button. And now we can place it here. Or we can place it here. Oh, some stuff. We can add some glue cyanoacrylate for better placing forever. Okay, let's try now. Put it here. Then bams, all here. Put it here. Then put it here, here, here. If you have any better ideas, please write the comments. So press like button or dislike button, and everybody, bye.